Hello, so today I would like to introduce to you a Turkish Sipahi bow. So this is the Taurus Agha, which means chieftain in Turkish. This bow, the tip to tip length is slightly under 46 inches. So let's see. Right, strung tip to tip, you can see it. Slightly under 46 inches, something closer to 116 centimeters. The bow is actually fairly simple, much like all the other Tauruses. So let's begin with, let's say the tip here. The knock here is actually very small, very small. Okay. Reinforced tip, but you should not use a fast flight string. These bows are only Dacron approved, so use B50 strings. The sears are very narrow, very small sears. The bridge is plastic, short limbs. The riser, nowadays we use real leather. So previously we were using synthetic leather, but synthetic leather tend to wear out pretty fast and some people complain. So now we have real leather here. Okay, it's black, real leather. Same thing as before, the inlaid bone. It's a bone piece over here for the arrow pass. Reinforcement, we have changed it already. So previously there was one batch that we used a clear line to wrap this one, and it didn't turn out well. The clear line were elastic, so it didn't protect the bow. So now we changed it back to nylon serving. Not as good looking, but they do a job much better than the transparent line. Okay, two here, one here, same on the other side. The logo has changed. This one looks a lot nicer than before. Alright, so well, this bow is an economical bow, so don't expect them to, look great like mariner bows or spearman. You can't compare it. This is like way cheaper, half of the price or even less, much cheaper bow. So targeting entry level. For an entry level bow, this one's selling in Malaysia for 888 because it's a new model, but as time goes by, it might get cheaper. We also plan to introduce a clear version later. The draw, alright, for a bow of this size, 46 inches, less than that, it actually draws pretty smooth. So when I draw to my maximum, it is about 30 inches and it is very smooth. See? 30 inches, no problem, very smooth. There is no feeling of stack at all. So, for example, the Mariner Harming 4, which I recently just reviewed, has more stack than this one. But of course, that is a natural bamboo bow, so we can't really compare that. This one here, very smooth. For a budget bow, very smooth draw. No stacking at all, like really, it's very smooth. However, in terms of hand shock and vibration, there is actually some amount of it. So because the string is B50, which is elastic, which is gonna contribute to more hand shock and more vibration compared to a fast flight string. However, given that it is Dacron, it has good amount of hand shock, meaning low, and vibration. When we first strung it and shot this bow, the hand shock was more because the string wasn't stretched. But after I left it for about a day or two and we started to shoot it again, it turned out to be really good. Hand shock is not a lot. I think it feels very similar to AF bow, Ali bow, Jackal, Vade. Feels very similar to that. It has some, but it's not a lot. Very similar to these mid-range price bows. There is some vibration because this is an elastic string, B50. there is some. Again, very similar to Jackal and all the other brands. So pretty good bow. You get a lot of bow, a very good bow, for a very, very good price. But of course, simple, not greatest looking, not very refined finishing, but not bad. It looks okay. It definitely looks okay for the price. It's great. So I'm gonna do a demo soon using these arrows here. Now these arrows, just so that I'm not tricking you, these arrows are actually 34.5 inches. Measured from here. Okay, it's really 34.5 inch. Okay, these are very long arrows. Okay, so very long arrows, and when I shoot, I actually have my fingers sticking out. So that's going to cut some distance, and I'll be drawing exactly 30 inches on this bow. Alright, so demo next. Alright, so I'll be doing a demo with a 30-inch draw length. So observe the profile, and also this bow is actually very fast because it's a very short bow, and we know short bows are fast. Okay, that's definitely 30 inch. So this bow is smooth, so I can hold it for quite a long time, just to make sure that I have a good 30-inch draw. Very good speed, it's a fast bow.